Hi, have you ever conducted a smart search on your topic so that you could search across our multiple databases and find a robust result list, but you found yourself a bit confused about the different types of full text that is available in the results? There are actually three different types. The first one that you'll find is the Fulltext PDF version. When you click on that link, it's going to actually give you an article from the original publication, whether it's a journal article, a trade journal, or a magazine or a newspaper. It'll also give you those EBSCO download options to upload to Google Classroom, download to Google Drive, print, or email. The second option that you may find within your result list of a smart search is another type of full text that is actually an HTML version, as you see here in the Shock to the System article. This result is going to give you the full text, but not the images that would be associated with the article. But you'll also have the added feature of being able to listen aloud and download the MP3. You will additionally have the options to save to Google Classroom, Google Drive, print, or email. The third option that you will see from your result list are options to access from other databases, such as Gale's Biography and Context, Credo Reference. When you click on the link to access from another database, it will give you the full article that is available from their database. In addition, any of the download options that that particular platform has for you, such as exporting to Google Drive.